Good morning, people. Abhishek here. Today, let's just say I make a video, a informative video. So you have to. I'm going to teach you how to use an inhaler properly. So you have to sit straight like this. You have to first, the inhaler which you'll be given by the doctor. You have to, shake it well, and then you have to breathe out through your mouth, like empty your lungs properly. So yeah, empty your lungs. Then you have to make sure the coordination is same. So when you press it, you have to inhale it slowly, just like I did, or did I don't remember quietly. So I thought maybe I've been using inhalers since 2020, but I thought maybe I should show you guys how to use it properly. And definitely, if the doctor prescribes you one puff or two puff, between the puff you have to give at least 1 minute of gap, and rinse your mouth with normal water. Thank you so much. I'll be coming up with another video.